Hello children, in today's class we are going to revise Unit 1 portions. Shall we start children? Let us revise glossary. First one, admirable, praiseworthy. Admirable, praiseworthy. Praiseworthy means deserves to be praised. Deserves to be praised. Admirable, praiseworthy. Next one, mystery, kept secret. Mystery, kept secret. Something is kept secret. Mystery means kept secret. Next one, pestering, irritating. Pestering, irritating. Irritating someone to do something. So pestering means irritating. Next one, overheard, to hear without the speaker's knowledge. Overheard, to hear without the speaker's knowledge. Hearing without other person's knowledge, that is speaker. Overheard, to hear without the speaker's knowledge. Next one, solve, to find the answer. Solve, to find the answer. That is getting solution. Solve, to find the answer. Next one, sniffed, to smell by short inhalations. To smell by short inhalations. To smell by short inhalations means to draw air through the nose. Sniffed, to smell by short inhalations. Next one, furious, intensely angry. Furious, intensely angry. That is extremely angry. Furious, extremely angry. Once again children, admirable, praiseworthy. Mystery, kept secret. Pestering, irritating. Overheard, to hear without the speaker's knowledge. Solve, to find the answer. Sniffed, to smell by short inhalations. Furious, intensely angry. Soft, smooth. Soft, smooth. Smooth means not hard, that is mild. Soft, smooth. Blow, a sudden. Blow, a sudden. An instance of air moving with speed or force. An instance of air moving with speed or force. Blow, a sudden. Blow, a sudden. Next one, shine, bright. Shine, bright. Bright means give out a bright light. Bright light. Shine, bright. Next, pour, flowing. Pour, flowing. That is running rapidly in a steady stream. Pour, flowing. Pour, flowing. Once again, soft, smooth. Blow, a sudden. Shine, bright. Pour, flowing. Waxwork, a life-size dummy made of wax. So, lifelike dummy modeled in wax. It is called as waxwork. Next one, magician, a person who performs magic tricks. a person with magical powers. Next one, disguise, to make a person look different, to hide their identity. That is, changes a person's physical appearance, including makeup, glasses, costumes, etc. Next one, chit, a short note on a piece of paper. So any small note on a piece of paper, small bit. Next one, statue, a human made figure of a person or animal that is life size or larger. That is an object made from a hard material to look like a person or animal. Once again, children, wax work, a life-size dummy made of wax. Wax work, a life-size dummy made of wax. Magician, a person who performs magic tricks. A person with magical powers. Magician, a person who performs magic tricks. Next, disguise, to make a person look different, to hide their identity. Disguise, to make a person look different, to hide their identity. Next, chit, a short note on a piece of paper. A short note on a piece of paper. Next one, statue, a human made figure of a person or animal that is life size or larger. Statue, a human made figure of a person or animal that is life size or larger. Match the following. Number 1, Pablu. Who is Pablu? Pablu is Srijit's dog. Pablu, dog. Pablu, dog. Next one, Velayudham. He is the inspector of that area. Velayudham, inspector. Velayudham, inspector. Srijit, old man. He disguised as old man. Srijit, old man. 5 detectives. What is the short form for 5 detectives? 5D. 5 detectives, 5D. Robbery. Where did the robbery took place? Museum. Robbery, museum. Once again, Pablu, dog. Velayudham, inspector. Srijit, old man. 5 detectives, 5D. Robbery, museum. Next one, Tuesday, 9 p.m. What was the timing on the chit? 9 p.m. Tuesday, 9 p.m. Necklace. What necklace was that? Diamond. Necklace, diamond. Sparrow. All the animals call the sparrow madam. Sparrow, madam. Young elephant. Who was a young elephant? Gulu. Young elephant, Gulu. Crocodile. Where was the crocodile? In the river. Crocodile, river. Tuesday, 9 p.m. Tuesday, 9 p.m. Necklace, diamond. necklace, diamond. Sparrow, madam. Sparrow, madam. Young elephant, Gulu. Young elephant, Gulu. Crocodile, river. Crocodile, river. Crocodile, river. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Pablo was the dog of dash. Option A, Fatima. Option B, Srijit. Option C, Arul. What is the right answer? Option B, Srijit. Pablo was the dog of Srijit. Next one. The message was to gather on dash. Option A, Tuesday. Option B, Monday. Option C, Sunday. And the right answer is option A, Tuesday. The message was to gather on Tuesday. Number 3. Dash overheard her father's talking on the phone. Option A, Fatima. Option B, Arul. Option C, Jessie. What is the right answer? Option C, Jessie. Jessie overheard her father's talking on the phone. Number 4. Dash unlocked one of the windows in the room. Option A, Srijit. Option B, Jessie. Option C, Arul. And the right answer is option A, Srijit. Srijit unlocked one of the windows in the room. The police appreciated dash for their admirable acts. Option A, 4D. Option B, 3D. Option C, 5D. And the right answer is option C, 5D. The police appreciated 5D for their admirable acts. Next one. All the animals call the sparrow dash. Option A, queen. Option B, madam. Option C, princess. And the right answer is option B, madam. All the animals call the sparrow madam. Next one. The brown sparrow laid dash eggs. Option A, 4. Option B, 6. Option C, 3. And the right answer is option C, 3. The brown sparrow laid 3 eggs. Sparrow tied the elephant and the crocodile with a dash. Option A, rope. Option B, cloth. Option C, creeper. And the right answer is option C, creeper. Sparrow tied the elephant and the crocodile with a creeper. Number 9. Dash lies stretching in the river. Option A, crocodile. Option B, snake. Option C, tortoise. And the right answer is option A, crocodile. Crocodile lies stretching in the river. 10th one. The sparrow solved the problem with her dash. Option A, cunningness. Option B, intelligence. Option C, braveness. And the right answer is option B, intelligence. The sparrow solved the problem with her intelligence. The dash and the crocodile pulled each other at the same time. Option A, elephant. Option B, sparrow. Option C, tortoise. And the right answer is option A, elephant. The elephant and the crocodile pulled each other at the same time. Number 12. The sparrow got a dash idea. Option A, worst. Option B, brilliant. Option C, bad. The right answer is option B, brilliant. The sparrow got a brilliant idea. Next one, fill in the blanks with 2, 2 and 2. TO, TOO and TWO. First one, students are going dash school. Students are going to school. Here TO, it is used to show the place. Next one, there are dash chocolates. Here it refers to the number. So answer is TWO2. There are 2 chocolates. Next one, the tree is dash big. Here it refers to very. So TOO, too big. The tree is too big. Number 4, we like dash play. Here it refers to the reason. We like to play. Next one, I ate dash many chocolates. Here it refers to many, that is very extreme. So I ate too many chocolates. TOO2. I ate too many chocolates. Sixth one, I will be coming in dash days. Here it refers to the number. So it is TWO2. I will be coming in 2 days. Next one, they went dash the park. Here it refers to the place. 2, TO. They went to the park. Next, 8th one, this box is dash heavy to lift. So it refers to very heavy. So the answer is TOO2. The box is too heavy to lift. Number 9, we bought dash pens. Here it refers to the number. So TWO2. We bought 2 pens. Next, number 10. These clothes are dash expensive. Here it refers to very. So the answer is TOO, too expensive. These clothes are too expensive. Number 11. Tom ran dash kilometers. Here it refers to the number. So the answer is TWO2. Tom ran 2 kilometers. Next one. I need dash write 2 pages. Here it refers to the reason. I need to write 2 pages. So the answer is TO2. I need to write 2 pages. Next, 13th one. The sun is dash bright. Here it refers very. So the answer is TOO2. The sun is too bright. 14th one. There are dash cows in the field. Here it refers to the number. So the answer is TWO2. There are 2 cows in the field. Next, 15th one. I have dash eyes. Here also it refers to the number. So the answer is TWO2. I have 2 eyes. 16th one, let's go dash the park. Here it refers to the place. So the answer is TO2. Let's go to the park. Let's go to the park. Let's learn the rhyming words. First one, soft, hot. Soft, hot. Number 2, blow, flow. Blow, flow. Number 3, grow, no. Grow, no. Number 4, seek, weak. Seek, weak. Number 5, sky, by. Sky, by. Once again, soft, hot. Blow, flow. Grow, no. Seek, weak. Sky, by. Number 6, blue, flew. Blue, flew. Number 7, hot, got. Hot, got. Number 8, shine, fine. Shine, fine. Number 9, rain, main. Rain, main. Number 10, think, link. Think, link. Once again, blue, flew. Hot, got. Shine, fine. Rain, main. Think, link. Circle and write the adverbs. Children, you have to circle and then you have to write the adverbs. What is meant by adverb? Adverbs are describing words. It describes a verb and tells how, where, when, how often, etc. First one, he rides his bicycle carefully. How he rides? Carefully. So the adverb here is carefully. Number 2, he rides his bicycle carelessly. How he rides? Carelessly. Here the adverb is carelessly. Number 3, she walks slowly. How does she walk? Slowly. Here the adverb is slowly. He joined the duty yesterday. When did he join? Yesterday. So here the adverb is yesterday. He joined the duty yesterday. Number 5, he looked everywhere. Where did he look? Everywhere. Here the adverb is everywhere. Number 6, she ate biscuits twice a day. How often? Twice. Here the adverb is twice. Number 7, he laughed merrily. How? Merrily. Here the adverb is merrily. He will leave today. When? Today. Here the adverb is today. Number 9, suddenly the old man fainted. When? Suddenly. Here the adverb is suddenly. Number 10, I am waiting here. Where? Here. Here the adverb is here. I am waiting here. Number 11, I drink coffee thrice. How often? Thrice. Here the adverb is thrice. Number 12, the boy speaks loudly. How? Loudly. Here the adverb is loudly. Number 13, she speaks English fluently. How? Fluently. Here the adverb is fluently. She speaks English fluently. Number 14, our mom spoke to us angrily. How? Angrily. Our mom spoke to us angrily. Here the adverb is angrily. Number 15. The painter paints wonderfully. How? Wonderfully. Here the adverb is wonderfully. Pick and write the adverbs to complete the sentences. Here few adverbs are given. You have to pick and you have to complete the sentence correctly. First one, the given adverbs are loudly, beautifully, brilliantly, bravely, cunningly. First one, my dog barks loudly. My dog barks loudly. Number 2, she won the game brilliantly. She won the game brilliantly. Number 3, she colored the picture beautifully. She colored the picture beautifully. Number 4, the lion fought bravely. The lion fought bravely. Number 5, a jackal cheated the crow cunningly. A jackal cheated the crow cunningly. Number 6, it began to rain suddenly. It began to rain suddenly. Next one, we should walk dash along the path slowly. We should walk slowly along the path. Number 8, the students talked dash in the library quietly. The students talked quietly in the library. Number 9, I brush my teeth daily. I brush my teeth daily. Number 10, she picked up the broken glass very carefully. She picked up the broken glass very carefully. Number 11, they waited dash for their turn patiently. They waited patiently for their turn. Answer the following questions. Number 1, what did the 5 friends call themselves? What did the 5 friends call themselves? While writing answer, you start from the question. The 5 friends called themselves the 5 detectives or 5D. What did the 5 friends call themselves? The 5 friends called themselves the 5 detectives or 5D. So the answer is the 5 detectives or 5D. Next one. Number 2. Who disguised himself as old man? Who disguised himself as old man? While writing this answer, you have to write name instead of who. So who is that person? Srijit. Srijit disguised himself as old man. Everything as it is in the question. Instead of who, you have to write the person name Srijit, who disguised himself as old man. Srijit disguised himself as old man. Next one, number 3. Who is in charge of this case? Who is in charge of this case. While writing this answer, instead of who, you have to write the person. Who is in charge of this case? Yes, Inspector Velayudham. So, what is the answer? Inspector Velayudham. Inspector Velayudham is in charge of this case. Who is in charge of this case? Inspector Velayudham is in charge of this case. Next one, number 4. What was the message on the chit? What was the message on the chit? The message on the chit was, tell number 3, wax works, Tuesday 9 p.m. Number 5. What was the message on the chit? The message on the chit was, tell number 3, wax works, Tuesday 9 p.m. Again number 5. Here the number is 5. Next question, number 5. Who guessed the location of the real necklace? Who guessed the location of the real necklace? Here, instead of who, you have to write the person's name. Amuda guessed the location of the real necklace. Who guessed the location of the real necklace? Amuda guessed the location of the real necklace. Who is that person? Amuda. Next one. Will you solve a mystery with friends? Why? Will you solve a mystery with friends? Why? I will solve a mystery with my friends because I am interested in solving mysteries. Will you solve a mystery with friends? Why? I will solve a mystery with my friends because I am interested in solving mysteries.